Hello and welcome to A1 English once again. In this video, we are going to focus on two things. One, our vocabulary for the day. And two, how to use these vocabularies in everyday communication as a beginner. So if you are new here, consider subscribing to join our community of English learners and speakers. My name is Tai Kisi and this is A1 English. Let's jump in. So today's lesson is on Unit 5, Lesson 6. And we are focusing on the letter I. Letter I. The letter I can be written in two different ways. The big I. The big I is usually used at the beginning of a sentence or a proper noun. Whereas the small letter I is used in the middle. The letter I is sound A. Can you try? A. Good. Here are some words for the letter I. Ink, igloo, sitting, hate, clicking, drinking, swinging, singing, pink, king. Now, our vocabulary for the day. Look, listen, and repeat. Chicken, milk, fish, chips, Let's go over our vocabulary one more time. Chicken, milk, fish, chips. Good job. Now, with our everyday communication structures, we have what do you like? Can you repeat? What do you like? What do you like? What do you like? And our B, I like plus the object. I like plus the object. So I will read A, what do you like? And you read B, I like plus the object you like. All right, let's go and practice some communication. What do you like? What do you like? I like chips. I like chips. What do you like? What do you like? I like fish. What do you like? What do you like? I like milk. I like milk. What do you like? What do you like? I like chicken. I like chicken. What do you like? Good. I like ink. What do you like? I like igloo. What do you like? I like sitting. Good. I like sitting. Alright, thank you very much. I hope this lesson has been successful and enjoyable to you. Don't forget to hit the subscription button, and if you like the video, give us a thumb up and leave us your comment. Hope to see you in the next video.